The moon phases indicator shows different moon phases in trading on a predefined chart. The moon phases are often used to analyze stocks and the foreign market. On the chart, the presence of a dark circle shows a full moon, while a bright circle indicates a new moon. Growing and waning are terms used for the bars that form between the full and new moons and have different colors. Moon phases indicator in forex is a tool that traders use to track and analyze the phase of the moon and its impact on the market. Now that may sound crazy to most, but just like the Fibonacci indicator, things in nature can be used to make trading decisions. Personally, I would only ever be considering a forex moon indicator with other forms of chart analysis, including technical indicators and price action. These are things that can tell you what is happening in the market right now, rather than being based on pure speculation. What is the moon phases indicator? The strategy behind using the moon phases indicator is to predict market movements based on the gravitational pull of the moon on Earth. It is believed that the moon has a significant influence on the tides, which in turn can affect the movement of currency pairs. Here are 4 points supporting the strategy of using the moon phases indicator. The moon's gravitational pull can affect the liquidity of a currency pair. The phase of the moon can provide insight into the sentiment of traders. The moon's phase can influence the volatility of a currency pair. Some traders believe that the moon's phase can provide insight into the direction of market trends. Moon phases strategy by signal. When the moon is in a waxing phase, growing in size, it is believed to be a good time to buy. When the moon is in a full phase, it is thought to be a good time to buy as the market may be at a turning point. When the moon is in a first quarter phase, it is also considered a good time to buy as it may signal a change in trend. In an experiment conducted on an arbitrary set of commodities for the year 1972, Todd Lofton, July 1974, writes about his observations. It was shown that short-term movements of prices react with some uniformity with respect to the phases of the moon. In fact, the commodities chosen for observation, silver, wheat, cattle, cocoa, and sugar, showed an uncanny ability to form a rising market following a full moon and a falling market after a new moon. Source: Commodity Trading Systems and Methods, P.J. Kaufman, p. 205. Many traders believe there is a direct correlation between the primary phases of the moon and the points at which any given, freely traded market will reverse direction. To say the least, this phenomenon is quite amazing and has nothing to do with astrology and everything to do with astronomy and physics. The cycle of the moon from new moon to new moon is called the synodic cycle. It is 29.5 days in length. This cycle, although invisible, appears to have quite an effect on the markets. If you're into cryptocurrency, then you've probably heard of the moon phase indicator crypto. This is a tool that helps you predict when the market is going to go up or down. The moon phase indicator crypto is based on the lunar cycle. There are 8 phases of the moon, and each one has a different effect on the market. The full moon is when the market is most likely to go up, and the new moon is when the market to Mark 9 is most likely to go down. Bitcoin Moon Phase Cycle Indicator MT4. The moon phase indicator crypto is a tool that can help you make money in the market. It's not 100% accurate, but it can give you a good idea of when the market is going to go up or down. If you're looking to make some quick money in the market, then this is a tool that you should definitely check out. The moon phase indicator crypto is a tool that can be used moving average indicator to help predict future moon phases. The moon phase indicator crypto is based on the lunar cycle, which is the time it takes for the moon to complete one full orbit around Earth. This cycle is divided into 8 phases, with each phase lasting about 29.53 days. How can you use lunar cycles in trading? The moon phase indicator crypto can be used to predict the approximate date of the next full moon, as well as the dates of the new moon and first quarter phases. To use the moon phase indicator crypto, simply enter the date of the last full moon into the date of last full moon field, no loss hedging strategy, and then click the calculate button. The moon phase indicator crypto will then return the date of the next full moon, as well as the dates of the new moon and first quarter phases. How can you use lunar cycles in trading? The moon phase indicator is a tool that helps you watch how lunar cycles impact market